Good morning, all my friends and family and subscribers. What I have here today is a little machine. It is called a facial toner massager. Facial toner massager. Looks like a nice little box where you put your glasses in. Okay, when you open it, first you can see there's a small mirror there, and the machine itself, and then there's a few attachments. I think if something is missing, there's supposed to be a sponge or something that came loose, and it looks like a toothbrush, and I think it's to massage your body, your facial muscles or something. Okay, the first thing is very simple thing. There's just an on and off switch. But firstly, there was like normally when the people leave the batteries in, the acid attacked the contact points, but I cleaned it with a standing knife. Okay, let's just put some batteries in and switch it on and see what's happening. You can see here, you can hear the noise. See how you massage your face muscles. It's almost like electric toothbrush. This stuff moves up and down, like sideways. So the contact doesn't make so like a contact, maybe the battery terminals. And then if you change the head, you clip it out, and then you can clip in the next one. Nice. Okay, now, but let's open this thing and see how this thing works inside, and then you can check. Then we all know how this MacGyver looks inside. Now let's just get there's 4 screws here. I see there's also a 3-volt adapter here that you can put a plug in if you don't have batteries. Let's put the screws here on the side here. Just a little electric motor with some sort of gearbox or something. There, just open this thing here. It just clips out. Be careful when you open it. You just see springs. Are they? Very, very plain. There's your supply adapter, battery terminals, the electric motor, and you can see here what's happening here. There's just an offset. The thing is just moving, and then it moves the front piece sideways. This is very easy way of maneuvering. Let's just put the batteries in here. There we can see. The motor turns, and here's a little plastic that goes sideways. So you just go like this, like this, like this. Okay. Here you can see, okay, this is very easy, a very simple mechanism. Let's come put this back. Now we all know how this facial massager looks inside, but never leave your batteries inside. Then the acid will, if the battery is leaking after a long time, it will damage the contact points of the batteries. You just put this thing back together again. The screws are so small you can't hold them with your tip of your fingers. Let's put this back. Let's switch it again. Let's switch this in. We just take a pen and we mark this so that you can see what I'm talking about. We can make a mark here. And then we switch it on. See how it moves. That's it. That is a facial massager. Let's plug in all the gaffers here and plug this one in there. That's for your face, maybe for women. Okay, and then there's a box. Clips it in like this. And there's your mirror inside there. Okay, now we all know how a facial toner and massager, the workings is inside and how it operates. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoy this video. Till next time, cheers.